Okay, round two. This time I'm in my son's bedroom and I'm gonna take a look how strong his fan placement is gonna be, or needs to be. Okay, we made it. Yeah, I'm supposed to put a fan on that. No reinforcement. Okay, time to fix that problem. Okay, this is the 2x4 I'm going to replace it with. I found this in the garage and it's a pretty solid piece. Just like that one, but painted white. Cut it down to size, now I'm going to secure it. Okay, so I got 2 screws on this side, 2 deck screws on the flip side. So I think we should be good. Solid as a rock. Okay, I think that's set. Kinda. Final result. Think it's working, not moving, and the light works. Good job. For more house improvements, please don't look at my channel, because I'm still learning.